Hi, if you made it all the way through the video, I really appreciate you. It's been a busy day. The kids have been out of school. This is the 4th day, and tomorrow they have a 2-hour delay, so it's been hard for me to get anything done, but I am pretty proud of the things I accomplished today. You'll see me working, earlier in the video, I was working on transferring an image to a piece of wood that I plan on finishing up tomorrow, and it will go into my Etsy shop. That I am a photographer. It's just my work has slowed down recently. I do really like to express myself through photography, and the image I was putting on that wood is one of my favorite images. I love it. I'm just in awe of it. Every time I look at it, I can't believe that was my idea, and I came up with that, and I did that. So yes, that will be going into my oddity shop tomorrow, and I was able to make a nice meal today. As you could tell in the beginning of the video, my dishes were awful. I did dishes again today. Like yesterday, I did dishes like 3 or 4 times, and they were never completely finished. I just kept doing dishes all day. It was just one of those days, like I would do dishes and more dishes were coming, and I would do dishes and more dishes were coming, and I couldn't keep up with all the dishes. And today, dishes have been done, and they're still not done. They're still not done. And I don't know. That's just like life with kids at home, I guess. Yeah. Most of this video was pretty quiet. I'm feeling a little depleted a bit, but that's to be expected. I've noticed that there have been people going to the Etsy shop. I've had some purchases, and if you're one of those people, I really appreciate you. It means a ton. It really does. I put a lot of love into the things I create, and I'm just so grateful. I'll have lots more things going on there tomorrow. Just kind of getting myself pulled together, getting ready. Wednesday I go to court. So tomorrow when I drop the kids off, it will be just kind of rounding up all the info I need for court on Wednesday morning, and getting what I can into the Etsy shop, because I am not getting child support at the moment, which I figured would happen. He kind of just refused to pay it since he figured out what was going on. And yeah, so I've got to get serious about my Etsy shop. I've mostly been selling my jewelry and things through word of mouth and things like that, but I've got to get more serious about it, because my income just decreased by a good bit until I get some things sorted out, and that's fine. Got lots of job applications in today, so hopefully someone hollers at me and wants me to do some works for them. Yeah, and I think that's all I've got. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and for liking, subscribing, commenting below. I appreciate you all so much. And I will talk to you again soon. And until next time, bye. Bye.